सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 92, Shloka 38. शक्तिरस्त्यैश्वरी काचित् सर्ववस्तुनियामिका आनन्दमयमारभ्य गूढा सर्वेषु वस्तुषु। Vidyaranya has established Brahman is non-dual, existent consciousness, infinite principle. Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma. Having established this, a question may come in our mind. When Brahman is non-dual, Advaitam, how this whole duality is appearing? How from non-dual Brahman, the dual universe is possible? For that, Vidyaranya is giving explanation from 38th onwards up to 40th shloka. These differences or duality is because of upadhi. Brahman is one, but that Brahman who is appearing in two different mediums. Just as your face appear in a concave mirror and convex mirror. Even though face is one, it appears differently because of the mirror. But the distortion of the face is not because of original face, but the distortion is because of the mirror or medium. Medium is called upadhi. Similarly, for Brahman, what is the medium? What is the upadhi for this whole distortion, duality? For that he is giving Shakti, Maya is the distortion. Maya is the upadhi. Even though Brahman is Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma appears as though many. What he says, Shakti asti Aishwari. Aishwari Shakti asti. There is Maya Shakti. Aishwari means the powerful one, anartham. That which has got lordship, overlordship. Aishwari means what? Power of creating many things. That's called Aishwari. Shakti means power. Kinetic power, neutron power, electron power. There's a talk, no? Electron energy, proton energy. Like that, Maya is the first energy. So that energy called Shakti here. Shakti Aishwari asti. Kachit. Kachit means what? Something power is there. Kachit. That means what? You cannot decipher what it is in Artham. Kachit means Yedo onnanna. Don't ask me. Anirvachaniyam. Different names are there. Maya, Anirvachaniyam. The total level, it is called Anirvachaniyam. Kachitan anartham, inexplicable anartham. Anirvachaniyam, inexplicable, kachit asti. What is its role, function? Sarva vastu niyamika. Niyamika means it is the controller. Since Maya or Shakti is Strilingam, Niyamika is also Strilingam. Niyamika means controller. Controller of what? Sarva vastu. All objects. It controls all object without any exception. Every blessed thing is controlled by that Maya, Niyamika. From where? Anandamaya Arabhya. From Anandamaya Kosha onwards. Anandamaya Arabhya means what? From Anandamaya Kosha onwards. Gudha sarveshu vastushu. It is hidden. Energy, Maya power is invisible. That's why it is Gudha, deep, invisible, not available for perception. Sarveshu vastushu, in every object, it is there. How it is there? It is there, that's all. Sattva rajas tamo gunatmika maya asti panchabhuta rupena sthula sukshma karana rupena. So that Maya asti. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka. Vastu dharmani yamyeran shaktya naiva yada tada anyonya dharma sankaryat Viplaveta jagat khalu. That Maya power, which is the controller of everything, in every object, you cannot see that Maya power. You are telling, what is the proof that Maya power exists? Suppose anybody asks, Maya is there, you cannot explain it, you cannot see it, but it is there, you are telling. I don't want to accept such a principle. Suppose anybody says, objection. Objection, your honor. I am not able to accept such a principle. This is a cock and bull story you are just like telling. For that Vidyaranya is answering, Maya asti. I'll prove how. If Maya is not there, that Shakti power is not there, this cosmos will be in chaos. Cosmos will be in chaos. Eppadi vastu dharmaha niyamyeran shaktya na bhavati ched. Suppose you say, up to here this is a Purapakshis, a student suppose, a question or doubt, objection. Shaktya vastu dharmaha niyamyeran iti. Vastu dharmaha means by Shaktya means by Maya power, by Maya Shakti. Vastu dharmaha means all these objects, properties of every object. Vastu dharmaha means properties of every object. For example, wind, Vayu is there. Vayu is having a nature of moving always. Vayu is the Gamanavan Vayuhuna. Then Agni is Ushna Tattvam, that property. Jalam, flowing property, it flows. Similarly, earth is that which is hardness, its hardness. Sun, moon, all these planets, these are all having, Panchabhutas having their own dharmas. Akasha has got Shabda Guna, Prithvi has got Gandha Guna, Jalam has got Rasa Guna. These are all called Dharmaha. Agni has got Ushna Gunam. So all these dharmas, who will control? Suppose Agni will say, strike, this year I am not going to give heat at all. Let me take 1 year rest. Let me go to honeymoon. Surya Bhagavan also says every year, April, May, why I have to come like Agni Nakshatram? Why people have to scold me? Let me take rest this year. No Agni Nakshatram this year. Na. That niyamam, who will control? That sun, moon, stars, plants, everything. And then the season, and then the weather correct. It's dharmas, somebody is controlling. Ella control pannamode seriya pannamaattom namu. If Maya is not there, controller, who will control all these things? He says, Shaktya na bhavati chet na niyammeran tada. Then what will happen? Anyonya dharma sankaryat. Anyonya dharma means what? Each mutual dharma, properties, they will transfer each other. Nee ennude vela pannu, na unnude vela pandrena. For change. இந்த ஆஃபீஸில் எல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம் அந்த டியூட்டிஸ் ஷிஃப்டிங்கு. அதே மாதிரி இந்த கண் போய் நான் கொஞ்ச நாள் அதில் கேட்குறேன்னு காது மாதிரி என்ன கண், இந்த காது வந்து நான் பார்க்குறேன்னு சொல்கிறேன். அப்போது சப்போஸ் வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன்? டங் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு ஸ்மெல் அண்ட் நோஸ் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு டேஸ்ட். தே மே வயலேட் தேர் டியூட்டிஸ். வஸ்து தர்ம சாங்கரியம் என்ன. And the hotter will take the heat, fire will take that coldness. If they take like that, what will happen to our life, Mind says, I don't want to think now onwards. What will happen to us? Manasu dharmam, manasu pannana. Buddhi dharmam, buddhi pannana. Kannu dharmam, kannu pannana. Adhu duty, adu pannana. If it is not there, the whole creation, there is no harmony. There is a disharmony if they are not functioning properly. If they are not functioning properly, there is a chaos. Anyonya dharma sankaryat. That is the mutual exchange of their properties will disturb the whole creation. Anyonya dharma sankaryat viplaveta jagat khalu. The revolution will come in the universe. Viplaveta jagat. We will see that only chaos and not a cosmic harmony in the universe. It is not a universe then. You cannot enjoy the universe. That is the proof Maya exists, who is the controller. Next shloka. Chichaya veshata shaktihi chetaneva vibhati sam tacchakyupadhi samyogat brahmaivashvaratam vrajet brahmaiveshvaratam vrajet. From 37th sloka onwards, it is an extension. Actually, Panchakosha Viveka is over the topic. This is a bonus topic. Shankaracharya, Vidyaranya want to give a bonus topic for us. What is the topic? Brahman is alone one, but appearing in Shariratrayam and Prapanchatrayam. Shariratraya Brahma is called Jivaha. Shariratraya Upadhi Vishishta Chaitanyam Brahma is Jivaha iti uchyate. Duality, how it has come and Chunna everybody. Chaitanyam Brahma, who is in Prapanchatraya Upadhi Visishtam Maya Sahitam Brahma is Ishvaraha. So I, the consciousness, am alone, Atma, Brahman, appearing in one Upadhi, that is Shariratrayam. Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Shariratrayam. What is the upadhi? Avidya upadhi. Care of tattva bodha. Avidyopadhi san. Shariratraya, the one who stays in the Shariratraya, available in Shariratrayam, is called Jivaha. And Maya Upadhi Sahitaha Brahma Prapanchatrayam, Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha. All these Prapanchams are the medium, total, Samashti level. That Brahma is called Ishvaraha. So Jiva, Ishvara, Veda is, he may ask, that means you are accepting Upadhi and Brahman. Rendu vandachena. What we are telling, Shakti is there. How duality is possible? He asked. We say because of Shakti. That Shakti is the creator. Creator means Upadhi. Upadhi means Avidya Rupena, Maya Rupena. That Shakti hi asti. That means where is your Advaitam? Manikepa. Idi chonna, adi chonna, idi. Where is your Advaitam then? Upadhi you are accepting. Individual medium upadhi, total medium upadhi you are accepting. That means your Advaitam is not there here because of duality. Then we say that upadhi, Vyashti upadhi, Samashti upadhi, mithya. It is not countable. Lower order of reality. Both the mediums are lower order of reality. They are all lower order of reality. That is, he says, Chitchaya Veshataha. This Maya is inert. A inert Maya, how it can appear in many forms? Maya is inert. Maya by itself cannot appear as many forms. Maya takes Chidabhasa. That is the meaning. Chitchaya Aveshataha. Chitchaya means reflected consciousness. Shariratrayam, Prapanchatrayam. Both of them, Chitchaya Veshataha. Tritiyarthe tasi. Aveshataha means Aveshena. Endowed with, enveloped with. Chitchaya means, Chit means consciousness. Chaya means reflection. Consciousness, reflected consciousness. Shakti. Chichayaveshataha Shakti. The Shakti which is associated with reflected consciousness is capable of appearing as many. Maya, Shakti, is capable of appearing as many, even though it is Jadam, it becomes sentient as though because of the association of consciousness. That association, when it comes, it becomes sentient. That is called Chitchaya. Chetaneva vibhati sa. That Maya, Jada Maya, Chetana iva vibhati. It shines like a sentient thing. Jada Maya, inert Maya becomes sentient as it were. Chetana iva. Vibhati means shines. Tat Shakti Upadhi Samyogat. Tat Shakti Upadhi Samyogat. Because of that association, Samyoga means association. What association? Maya Shakti. Shakti Upadhi means Maya Upadhi. Maya medium. Because of that association with Maya medium, Brahma eva Ishvaratam Brajet. Brahman alone is called as, known as, Vrajet means Brahman alone moves like Ishvara. Because of what? Kalyanam Panditar Maya Kuda. Married with Maya. Brahman married with Maya as though. Okay, married and another. Just as husband moves along with his wife, after marriage. He will get brahmachari gets a name husband. அது வரைக்கும் முன்னாடி நேற்று வரைக்கும் பிரம்மச்சாரி தானேண்ணா, இப்போ வைஃப் வந்தாச்சு இல்லையோ, அதனால ஹஸ்பண்ட் அண்ணா கிரகஸ்தன்னா. அது மாதிரி பிரம்மச்சாரி பிரம்மன், பிரம்மச்சாரி பிரம்மன். அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு, மாயா, he is associated with Maya. That Brahman is known as Ishvaratam Prajet. By the name of Ishvara, he moves. Jagat Karana Ishvaraha. Next shloka. Koshopadhi vivakshayam padhivivakshayam yati brahmaiva jivatam pita pitamahaschaikaham putra pautrau yatha pratim. Still you are not able to accept. I will give you one example. Vidyaranya, I want to give an example. See, once Brahman is associated with Maya, associated means what? He activates the Maya power, lends the sentiency to Maya. Lending sentiency to Maya is called Gatti Medam. Okay. மேரேஜ் முடிச்சு போடுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி லெண்டிங் சென்சியன்சி டு இனர்ட் மாயா டு மேக் த யூனிவர்ஸ் டு அப்பியர், தட் இஸ் கால்டு மேரேஜ். ஓகே, தென் தட் பிரம்மன் வில் கெட் த நேம் ஈஸ்வரஹா. நோ, யூ ஆர் டெல்லிங் ஹோல் திங் ஸ்டோரி அண்ணா. This is only referential standpoint. I am telling Brahman is from the standpoint of Maya, he is Ishvara. Isn't it? From the standpoint of avidya, Brahman alone is called Jivaha. You see, in the world also, only one person, from his son's standpoint, he is father. From his grandson's point, he is grandfather. Okay? So, one person is there, he is father. From whose standpoint he is father? When his children are there, son or daughter, there he is father. So suppose that son or daughter got married and they got children, this person ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல, இவர் ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல. அவனுக்கு கல்யாணமாகி குழந்தை வந்த உடனே இவர் என்ன ஆயிட்டாரு, பிதாமகா. அது எப்படி அண்ணா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட்? இவர் ஏதாவது ஆயிட்டாரா? ஒண்ணுமே ஆகல. Person is same, he is the only father, he is only the grandfather. அது எப்படியோ இது அப்படிதான். That's what he says. Look into the first line. Koshopadhi vivakshayam. From the standpoint, vivaksha means from the standpoint of, the point of reference. Vivaksha means point of reference. Kosha upadhi. Panchakoshas are there. Annamaya kosha, manomaya, pranamaya, vijnanamaya. From the kosha's standpoints you see, this Brahma eva jivatam yati. Brahman alone is known as Jivaha. Who is there? Who is residing in, available in these 5 koshas? Here we are all sitting here. Each one is 5 koshas, embodiment of 5 koshas. In that each 5 koshas, one place, one Jiva. Who is that Jiva? Brahman. When Brahman is associated with 5 koshas, kosha upadhistaha san, Brahma jivatam yati. Ipo namu ella yaru Jivan. The Jiva name is given to whom? Brahman. I am Brahman, got the name Jiva. Why? Because I am available in this miserable 5 koshas. Therefore, I got the name Jivaha. Now, Jiva anna yaro puriyarda? Jiva is another name given to that infinite Brahman when that Brahman is available in this 5 koshas. That is the first line. Koshopadhi vivakshayam Brahma eva jivatam yati. Clear? Nanna puriyardilliyo? Next line, just like he is giving the example. Pitamahascha ekah. Ekah purushah pita pitamahah. அப்பா தாத்தா. ஒரே ஆள் வந்து அப்பன் ஆயிட்டார், தாத்தா ஆயிட்டார். அது எப்படி தாத்தான்னு கேட்டா என்ன பண்றது? உன் அப்பா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ல நான் அப்பா, உன்னுடைய ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ல நான் தாத்தா, அப்படி சொல்லுவோமா இல்லையோ? அதே மாதிரி தான் ஏகா புத்திரஹா இது பௌத்திரஹா இது. புத்திரா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் பிதா, பௌத்ரா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் பிதாமஹா. புத்ரா மீன்ஸ் சன், பௌத்ரா மீன்ஸ் கிராண்ட் சன். மாற்றி போட்டுக்க கூடாது. ஓகே, புத்ரா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் பிதா, பௌத்ரா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் பிதாமஹா. ஓகே, யதா பிரதி, யதா புத்திரம் பிரதி பிதா, பௌத்திரம் பிரதி பிதாமஹா. யதா யதா தத்வத், லைக் தட். வெரி சிம்பிள். இது கூட புரியலையா உனக்கு? வித்யாரண்யா சேஸ். தென் நெக்ஸ்ட், if you remove that standpoints, now what is he? He is neither father nor grandfather. Now look into the next shloka 42. Putradirabhivakshayam na pita na pitamahah तद्वन्नेशो नापि जीवः शक्तिकोशाविवक्षणे. Beautiful sloka, you see. Putradehe avivakshayam. If you are not seeing the son or grandson standpoint, son standpoint, if you are not intended, avivakshaya means not intended, not with reference to, anartha. Putra adipadat pautra. If putra pautra connection if you remove, what is he? Pitanam pitamahana. He is neither father nor grandfather. That grandfather name is because of this grandson. Father name is because of this son. That because of two, you keep aside, what is he? Neither father nor grandfather. Like that, our Brahman also is like that. But tadvat, similarly, in the same manner, जीवाहा ईशाहा न शक्ति कोश अभिवक्षणे. Once you take the shakti out, delete, computer delete ani irukum illaya. So suppose delete shakti maya, you delete, Brahma is not called as Ishvara. And maya panchakosha, the panchakosha vilakshanaha sakshi chaitanyam, I am not jivaha, I am Brahman. From the standpoint of Panchakoshas, only I am Jiva. Really Panchakoshas are mithya, unreal. Therefore they are lower order of reality. I am not Jivaha, I am Brahman. Na Jivaha Kosha Upadhi. If I delete, I am not Jivaha, I am Brahman. Shakti or Maya Upadhi, if I take out, I am not Ishvaraha, also I am Brahman. So, the consciousness existent principle alone appearing as many Jivas and Ishvara. So, Ishvaranu Nane, Jivanum Nane. So, Jiva Ishvara is my lower order of beauty. My lower beauty. Okay. It is my beauty, novelty, variety. Paramarthananda Swami used these words. It is my beauty, novelty, variety. You need not worry now, isn't it? My beauty, novelty, variety appears. Let it appear in me. It will disappear also. They cannot touch me. All dream objects are appearing in me, the waker. They appear and disappear. Nothing happened to me, the waker. Isn't it? Similarly, I, the Brahman, not touched by what? This Jivatvam or Ishvaratvam. Ishvaratvam, What? Whom you are worshipping God is Ishvara. Who is worshipping whom now? Tell me. Who is worshipping whom? Brahman worshipping himself in the form of Ishvara. Brahman himself is Bhakta in the form of Jiva. இதை விட ஃபன் வேற இருக்க உலகத்தில்? கோயிலுக்கு போய் சுற்றுறான். People are, of course, after round only you will come here. That is different thing. This is called Ishvara Jiva. குருவாயூரப்பா, இனி அப்பா, கபாலீஸ்வரரோ, பார்த்தசாரதியோ, ஆஞ்சநேயரோ, எது சொன்னாலும், எந்த ஈஸ்வரன் சொன்னாலும், my real nature only, given name. That is lower order of reality. Ishvara kuda lower order of reality. I am Jiva, Dasa, Satyam another, Ishwaran Satyam. Jivatvam is Mithya, appudu Ishwaratvam Mithya. Adi vandu total Mithya, idu individual Mithya. Illaya? Adi total level Mithya, idu individual level Mithya. Swamini, ottagave mudiyala. If you accept it or not, who bothers? It is a fact. Either in this janma or next janma you have to accept. Satyam unakaha change aha mudiyadu. Priyarada. This is Veda Vak. Pramanam is there. Okay. Next shloka. Concluded. Okay. Who is Jiva? Who is Ishvara? I am only Jiva. I am only Ishvara. That is my role. I played temporarily. It is a game for me. It is my Vibhuti game. Now where is sorrow? Tell me now. Where is sorrow? Sorrow is also my Vibhuti. Okay? Sorrow is also our own Vibhuti. Nothing else. Ananda is also my Vibhuti. Last shloka. Yaevam brahma vedaisham brahmaiva bhavati swayam brahmano nasti janmatah punaresha na jayate. Now Phalashruti. What is the benefit of knowing or claiming that I am Brahman, alone appearing as Jiva, I am alone appearing as Ishvara from Maya Upadhi and Kosha Upadhi, the Jivatvam, Ishvaratvam. They are not real. I am Brahman. I am Satyam Gnanam Anantam Brahman. What is the benefit if you ask? Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavati. The knower of Brahman is Brahman. The claimer of Brahman is Brahman. Brahma Veda means the knower of Brahman. Veda means here not noun, it is verb. The knower of Brahman, evam means in this manner. Yaha, whoever, Panchadashi students. Sollikalamo? Yaha, whoever study Panchadashi, they are Brahma Veda, knows Brahman as themselves. Brahma eva bhavati, they remain as Brahman. Now you are Brahman or Brahma? Brahman. In whom Brahma is there, as Jiva. Okay? Temporary Brahma, as though Brahma, not real Brahma. Brahma is also my Vibhuti. Okay? Ellahu naneda. Bhavati. Swayam. Swayam means myself. Brahmavit Brahmaiva Bhavati. Then Brahmanaha nasti janma ataha. Therefore, there is no janma in Brahma. There is no janma in Brahman. I the Brahman am free from birth. I the Brahman am free from birth. Since I am free from birth, where is the question of rebirth? Birth illa, where is the question of rebirth? If I have birth, there is a question of rebirth. Since I am free from birth, I am free from rebirth also. Therefore, I am free from death also. Janana marana rahitaha. Brahmanaha nasti janma means mama janma nasti in artham. Punareva na jayate. There is no question of rebirth. Therefore what? Jivan mukti videha mukti. When videha mukti? Now here itself. I am videha. Now he quotes the Upanishads, Sayoha vai tat paramam brahma veda brahmaiva bhavati, Mundakopanishad 3-9. Brahmavit apnoti param, the knower of Brahman attains Brahman, Taittiriya Upanishad 3-1, 2-1. Then Najayate mriyate va vipaschit, Katopanishad 2-18. Nasa punaravartate, Chandogya 8-15-1. Or some other commentator says, Kalagni Rudropanishad also says same thing. Nasa punaravartate, there is no coming back again. I am not going to come back. There is no coming and going. With this, Panchakosha Viveka Prakaranam is over. Now I will give you a summary of this third chapter of Panchadashi. This chapter is known as Panchakosha Viveka Prakaranam. Panchakosha Viveka Prakriya is a method used to arrive at Brahman or Atma. This method is introduced by Taittiriya Upanishad, one of the 10 principal Upanishad. This method is used in Brahmanandavalli. Brahmanandavalli, Taittiriya Upanishad is very famous for Panchakosha Viveka Prakriya. Just as Mandukya is famous for Avasthatraya Prakriya, this Upanishad is famous for Panchakosha Viveka Prakriya. Taittiriya Upanishad belongs to Krishna Yajurveda. Taittiriya Upanishad used the Upanishad quotes the Rig Mantra. What Rig Mantra means? In Veda Mantra it uses Tadesha Bhyukta Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma. That mantra Upanishad use in Taittiriya Upanishad. Enna padichina maadhiri gnapakam irukko? Irundha sari. So, first 6 Anuvakas Brahmavalli is summarized in this third chapter. The 6 Anuvakas are summarized Taittiriya Upanishad in this third chapter. Vidyaranya clearly is going to present all these 6 Anuvakas. First, he wants to establish 4 features he gives. First 2 mantras, he gives Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Upanishad itself gives as Brahma Lakshanam. That is the first point he points out. Then third point he mentions is, Upanishad says Brahman is Guha Nihitatvam. Guha Nihitatvam means Brahman is available in the Panchakosha Guha. நான் அந்த குகை பார்த்து வந்துட்டேன் சுவாமி, நான் அமர்நாத் குகைக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தேன், கேதார்நாத் குகைக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தேன், அந்த குஹா இந்த குஹா எல்லா குகைக்கு போயிட்டான், இந்த குகை பார்த்தியா அண்ணா, இந்த பஞ்சகோஷ குஹா. Now you understand why in our culture guha we go, all caves why you go, one day you will search for this guha. That is the intention of going towards guha. Understand? Panchakosha guha, where 5 layers are there, inside Brahman is available. Then third definition is guha vilakshanatvam. The one who is available in the house is different from the house. Directly this is not said by Upanishad. Yo veda nihitam guhayam, that only Upanishad says. But Upanishad doesn't say this Brahman who is available in Panchakosha is vilakshanam ani sollala. அது நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். இம்ப்ளைடு எப்படி? கிரகன்ல இருக்கிறவன் இஸ் த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் ரிசைடிங் இன் த ஹவுஸ் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் த ஹவுஸ். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? Brahman is available in this Panchakosha Guha. That means Brahman must be Vilakshanam. So, what is the third definition? Panchaguha Vilakshanatvam. First Nihitatvam, then Vilakshanatvam. That person is staying in that house. He is different from the house. Correct? Brahman is available in the Panchakosha Guha. Avarude veedu idu. This Brahman is different from the Panchakoshas. That means what? This house has got 5 outer layer, second layer, third layer. இந்த கோயில பிராகாரம் மாதிரி இங்கே கூட ஒரு பிராகாரம், அவுட்டர் பிராகாரம், இன்னர் பிராகாரம், இன்னர் மோஸ்ட் பிராகாரம், மோஸ்ட் இன்னர் பிராகாரம், கர்ப்பகிருஹம். அதுதான் குஹா, உள்ள ஹிருதயம் சொன்னான் இல்லையோ, உள்ள இருக்கார் பகவான். சரி, குஹா விலக்ஷணத்துவம், தேர்ட் ஃபீச்சர். Then fourth feature is what? Atmatvam. This is the main theme of this third chapter. Brahma eva Atma, Atma eva Brahma. Self is Brahman, Brahman is myself. That is established in this chapter by Vidyaranya, taking the support of Taittiriya Upanishad. Atmatvam. Brahmanaha Atmatvam. How na? How? Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha. And the statement which Atmatvam Upanishad establishes. That Vidyaranya extracts more and more elaborately. Upanishad says what? Etasmad atmanaha akashas sambhutaha. Nanartham Brahma eva Atma, Atmatvam Brahmanaha established. Brahman enna ange inge paaka kodadu. Puriyarada? நானே பிரம்மன். பிரம்மன் இஸ் சத்தியம் ஞானம் அனந்தம். ஐ ஆம் பிரம்மன், தேர்ஃபோர் ஐ ஆம் சத்தியம் ஞானம் அனந்தம். Why can't we claim this much prestigious post? Why inferior struggling? அனவசியமா சொல்லலாமே, தாராளமா. நான் தான் சப்ஸ்ட்ராட்டம் ஆஃப் தி யூனிவர்ஸ் అని போல்ட்லி சொல்லாமே உபனிஷத் இது ஆஸ்கிங். நான் கேட்கல, Vidyaranya asking. Atmatvam. Then this is about 1 and 2 shlokas. This is the 4 lakshanams he just gives briefly. Then 10 to 10, see that suffix mayat, annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha. Maya means vikara. And the vikaram itself shows that is mithya, vikara rahitaha brahma aham satyam. What is this topic? 2 to 10. 2 to 10, pancha kosha guna vilakshanam is elaborated. Brahman, I the Atma am different from 5 koshas. Each kosha he describes. What? Annamaya kosha, physical personality made out of annam, going on changing. Vikaram, anna vikara. 10 years back eppadi irundom? 5 years back, 20 years back eppadi? Anna vikara, changing body we are seeing. What about prana? Vayu. Vayu also changing. Appo I used to run 20 miles, if 2 miles also I cannot walk. 20 steps also I am not able to walk now. So pranamaya koshana vikara is there, changing is there. This is called physiological personality. Then pranamaya kosha physiological, manomaya kosha is psychological personality. More vikara, changing mind, often it is changing. What about vijnana? Adu vida changing. Swamini last week class ஞாபகமே இல்லைன்னா, ஏற்கனவே புத்தியில் மார்ப்பு ஒன்றுண்டே இருக்க விகாரம் இல்லையோ. So ஆனந்தமய கோஷா, that also changing. Ananda also changing. All koshas are changing. I am vikara rahita brahma guha vilakshanaha. The knower, the witnesser of changing koshas is different from the koshas. That way he establishes. Name of the Brahman he gives here is Brahman is changeless. Brahma panchakosha vilakshanaha vikara rahitatvad. Panchakosha vikara sahitatvad. So Brahma means brihdhatu, brumhati. Brumhati, brihattamatvat Brahma. Brihattamatvam means what? Big. Brahmate vardhate iti. That Brahman who expands in every form. expands in every form, everywhere, limitlessly in Artham. Brahman cannot be limited by the 5 koshas. In these 5 koshas, Brahman is not limited. Brahman is there in other 5 koshas, another 5 koshas. Where koshas are not there, also Brahman is there. That is why Brahma kosha vilakshanaha. That is established. Even Anandamaya kosha also, avyaktam is, Anandamaya kosha is karanam. All other koshas are karyam. Very important point. Karanam Anandamaya kosha or karana shariram. Sthula, Sukshma, other 4 koshas come under karyam. Brahman is karya karana vilakshanam. Brahman is different from cause and effect. Cause is Anandamaya kosha, effect is other 4 koshas. Therefore, Brahman is different from the cause and effect. 2 to 10 over. Then 11 and 12, this Brahman alone is available as Sakshi Chaitanyam. Sakshi Rupena Upalabhyate. Sakshi Rupena Panchakosha Guha Nihitatvam. How Brahman resides in these 5 koshas? As witnesser. 11 and 12 slokas. As witnesser. If Sakshi Chaitanyam is not there, who is there to witness the Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Vijnana, Manomaya, Anandamaya? Who experience? Who experience the dullness of the mind? Who experience the hunger of the Pranamaya kosha? Who can experience the thirst of Pranamaya kosha? Who can experience the buddhu? Buddhu of buddhi. Dull buddhi. Who will experience? I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am not there. Who is the experiencer? Because it is inert. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, Atma, must be there to witness. I, the witnesser, am there. Atma, naan irukena illaya? How? As witnesser, experiencer, observer. I am there. Are you observer or not? And you are the observer. Next, from 13 to 27 is very, very important topic he brings. This Brahman, the self, is consciousness principle. Consciousness means jnanam, chit principle. Pratibodha viditam matam. How do you know you are the Brahman or you are the self, you are Atma? How do you know? I know it is evident for me. Anubhuti. Swayam Anubhuti ennar. Eppadi? Eppadi enna? Appadidhaan. Every Vishesha Jnanam presupposes Samanya Jnanam. I know there is flower. I know there is flower. Pushpa Jnanam is Vishesha Jnanam. I know is Samanya Jnanam. This Vishishta Jnanam or Vishesha Jnanam is not possible without the Samanya Jnanam. Just as I see because of sunlight, light is Samanyam, but the person is differs. In every person to person differs. But every person I see because of light. The light is Samanyam, every person is Vishesham. Without light, I cannot see the person. Similarly, I, the Samanya Chaitanyam, consciousness. நான் இருக்கேன். தெரியுமா தெரியாதா உங்களுக்கு? நான் இருக்கேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் புஷ்பம் இருக்கு. புஷ்ப ஜானம் வருது. நான் இருக்கேன் ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் புஷ்ப ஜானமே வரும். சுவாமினி, புஷ்ப ஜானம் வருது, நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி சந்தேகம் வருமா? நான் இருக்கேன் அங்கிற சந்தேகம் வந்தால் புஷ்ப ஜானம் வராது. புஷ்ப ஜானம் வருது என்ன அர்த்தம்? நான் இருக்கணும், நான் இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ஐ ஆம் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பிரின்சிபல், சுத்த சைத்தன்யம், சுத்த ஜானஸ்வரூபம், கெட் ஆல் விசேஷ ஜானம். புரியுறதா? That is the topic Therefore what? Whatever I experience is object. Vishesha Jnanam ellame object da. And the Vishesha Jnanam, the one who is getting is subject. I am the subject, Samanya Chaitanyam. The Vishesha Jnanam is not subject, it is object. The subject is different from object. This is the topic from 13 to 27. He gives so many points, he gives in each shloka. We can 16 and 17, he says, this is supported by the Shruti Pramanam also. Neti, neti, iti vachanai. Not this, means this object is not I. I, the experiencer, am Brahman. 16 and 17. Then in 18th sloka, he says, Atma is pure consciousness, pure knowledge, beyond cause and effect. And 19 and 20, he presents, there is no doubt in the existence of consciousness. Such a doubt coming is absurd. What? நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையா கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க అని கேட்கப்பட யாராவது? That doubt never comes. Never doubt yourself. Okay. 21-22, he says, negator is Brahman. Negator cannot be negated. Negator is unnegatable. Now I am unnegatable negator. After seeing all photographs, can you doubt the camera? After seeing all photographs, can you doubt the camera? Without camera, photographs are not possible. Similarly, each specific knowledge is not possible without me, the subject. Clear? Who is that? Unnegatable negator, I am. 23 and 25, Shunyatvam is negated. Sunyatvam means emptiness, voidness. There is no Brahman, nothing is there. Ella Shunyam. Ella Shunyam சொல்றியே நீதான் பிரம்மன்னா. எல்லாமே சூன்யம் சூன்யம் சொல்றதுக்கு ஒருத்தர் இருக்கணுமா வேண்டாமா? எல்லா சூன்யம் சூன்யம் சூன்யம், ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்றேன். ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை சொல்றதுக்கு ஒருத்தன் இருக்கணுமா வேண்டாமா? இருக்கணும். அவரு அவன் யார்னா? அவன் யார்னா? ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்றவன் தான், அவன் தான் பிரம்மன். நெகேட்டர் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி திங், ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்றவன் இருக்கானா இல்லையா? அவன் தான் பிரம்மன். அப்போ ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னு எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? நான் தவறே ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை, முடிச்சாச்சு. ஒரு வேதாந்தம். அவனதான் நீ இருக்கில்லையோ சுத்த பிரம்மன். சுத்த பிரம்மன் நீ இருக்கு. அவனது அஜ்ஞானத்தோட பிரம்மன் இருக்கார். இப்போ பஞ்சதசி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் ஞானி ஆயிட்டாரு. ஓகே. 26 and 27 nicely he presents. ஈத்ருக்குனா தாத்ருக்குனா, ஈத்ருக்தா நாஸ்தி தாத்ருக்தா நாஸ்தி. இப்படி இருக்காருன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, அப்படி இருக்காருன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. என்ன சொல்ல முடியாது? சொல்லாது. சும்மா இரு, சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பெறுன்னா இதுதான். ஈத்ருக்தா நாஸ்தி தாத்ருக்தா நாஸ்தி. So this is the topic from 13 to 27. Then 28 to 36, fourth final feature he gives. Satyam Jnanam Anantam. The Jnanam part is revealed already. Chaitanyam. Now Satyam, Atma is Satyam. How you establish that Satyam means Trikala Avadhyam Satyatvam. You cannot negate it. Satyatvam. Satyam means which is unnegatable. Consciousness establish பண்ணியாச்சு இல்லையோ? யாரு இந்த consciousness? Myself. Okay. Now this consciousness is existent or not? Suppose sandeham vanda, it is existent. Negator can never be negatable. Unnegatable negator is existent. That's why Satyatvam. Unnegatable from experiential angle and unnegatable from the technical angle also. Experiential angle I have already said in the text. What is that? Suppose you close your eyes, all your sense organs you withdraw. What will happen? Everything is negated and you remain. So experientially, even though I experience the world, but it is not real, how to say, once I withdraw all my sense organs, it is as good as non-existence. When I go to sleep, nidra, there also nothing exists. If it is real, it must exist all the time. When I go to sleep, nothing is available. When I go to samadhi also, when my mind is so calm, there also nothing is available. Where it has gone? So this is one approach. Experientially, I can negate it. I am not experiencing in nidra, samadhi. Yes, but this is not the answer exactly. That person may ask, yes, I go to samadhi, it is not there for me. But world is there outside for all people. Yes, for me only it is not there in samadhi or nidra. But some other people, night they are working, no? Doctors are working, nurses are working. There are many people working in the night shift. அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் இருக்கே உலகம் அப்படி சொன்னால் நம்ம டெக்னிக்கலுக்கு அப்ரோச்சுக்கு போகணும். அது என்னென்னா சாஸ்திர பிரமாணம். சாஸ்திர பிரமாணம் இஸ் தேர். சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் நாட் தேர் ரியல்லி. வாட் ஆஸ் தட் பிரமாணம்? டெக்னிக்கல்லி சேஸ் நேஹ நானாஸ்தி கிஞ்சனா. கட்டோபனிஷத். நத்திங் இஸ் தேர் ரியல்லி இன் திஸ் யூனிவர்ஸ். சாஸ்திர பிரமாணம் இஸ் தேர். Veda பொய்யை சொல்லாது. Veda says world is not there really, means there is something for you to understand. Never question Veda. That means there is something wrong in your understanding. Therefore question your understanding, not the Veda. Okay? Kathopanishad belongs to Krishna Yajurveda, it says. Then Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also says, Sayeva neti neti atma iti. Atma is that which is there after negating everything. That is Atma. Kaivalyopanishad, if you take, na bhumirapo na chavannirasti na chanilo mesti na chambarancha. So bhumi, apaha, prithvi, nothing is there. All are born out of me, merging in me only. That is also there. Na punya pape mama nasti nashahana. There is no punya, papa, there is no nasha for me, the Atma. Therefore, na janma, na maranam, na janma, na punyam, na papam. World is negated through Shastra Pramanam is the technical approach. This is called Pramana Badhyatvam. Brahman is Pramana Abadhyam. World is Pramana Badhyam. Badhyam means negatable, negated. This is from 28 to 36 is going on. Then this is called Satyatvam is established now. Brahman is there. Unnegatable Brahman is there. That is you, the existent consciousness principle. Satyam Jnanam over. What about Anantatvam? Infinite Brahman. Limitless Brahman na desha, kala, vastu, aparichinnaha, brahma, anantaha. There is no kala paricheda, there is no desha paricheda, spatial limitation is not there, desha paricheda not there. Why? In sarvagatatvat, desha aparichinnaha. Since Brahman is all pervading, Brahman is not limited by the space. Really speaking, space is in Brahman. Tasmadva etasmad atmana. Akasha sambhutaha. So Akasha is born. Ghatakasha, Mathakasha. Ghatam, Matham, and me, ella ingirka, Akasha irka. Akasha ingirke. In me, the Atma. So I am giving existence to the Akasha. Sarvagatatvat. What about Kala Paricheda? Nityatvat. I am eternal. Therefore, Kala Paricheda is not there. Time limitation is not there for me. Therefore, I am free from, thank God, I am free from birth, death. Birth, death irunda, adella Kala Parichedam. I am free from Kala Parichedam. இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சே வீட்டில் செரிமனி எல்லாம் பண்ணுவோம். என்ன those people who have gone, we do ceremony. தெரிஞ்சே பண்ணணும். புரியுறோ? That is for upadhi. Not really. Okay, Vyavahara, that is Okay, don't ask why Shraddha and all, Swami. Shraddha is not for Atma. Shraddha is that for only Vyavaharika Upadhi, Jiva. Jiva na Mithya Jiva. Okay, it's not real. As though. Ellame as though da. Don't say husband is also as though. Vyavaharam irukkumbodhu Vyavaharam Satyam. Paramarthikam irukkumbodhu Paramarthikam Satyam. And the Vyavahara Satyam, Vyavahara Satyam da. Okay, it is not absolutely real. And that is Anantatvam. Then Vastu Parichedaha Nasti, that is Sarvatmyatvat, because this Atma is in every object. Vastu Paricheda is not there. One Vastu limits the other Vastu. Flower is there, clip is not there. Clip is there, flower is not there. But Atma, in the name of Sat and Chit, in every Vastu it is pervading. Sarvatmyat, because it is pervading in every object. Sutre Manigana Iva, Atma is everywhere. Therefore it is Vastu Parichedaha Nasti. Object-wise limitation also not there. 3 Parichedas are negated. Therefore Atma is what? Anantam. Who is that Atma? I am. I am free from time, space and objects. This body can limit me. The mind can limit me. Mind have limitations. My mind has limitations. I am not the mind. My body has got lot of problems. But I am free from problems. My body may have problems. Therefore, look at the body, problematic mind. Appudu service pannungo, avladha. Anantatvam over. Satyam Jnanam Anantam over. Who is that? I am. I am Satyam. I am Jnanam. I am Anantam. Dukkham varuma. Varuma dukkham. Bhayam varuma. Varum. Enge varuna. In me, bhayam rise in the mind. In me, the consciousness, the bhaya rise in the mind. Mind is not me. That bhayam which comes in the mind is also not me. This is called jnana. Swami, innu bhayam varade anna. Bhayam varum appa. மனசுக்குள்ள வரும். அந்த மனசு பாடிக்குள்ள இருக்கு. அந்த பாடிக்குள்ள இருக்கிற மனசுக்கு பயம் வரும். அதனால உனக்கு வரல. இப்படி சொல்லலைன்னா நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு நீங்க செப்பல் போட்டுட்டு சுவாமின்னு சும்மா சொல்லுவோம். நமக்கு பயம் இல்லாமல் எப்படி போகும்னா பயம் இருக்கும், பசி இருக்கும், தாகம் இருக்கும், கோபம் இருக்கும், ராகம் இருக்கும், துவேஷம் இருக்கும், எல்லாமே இருக்கும். எங்கே இருக்கும்? Body mind complex. It has got umpteen problems. You can never correct it. Okay? You can manage. Okay? Life is called management. Manage. I need not touched by anything. I cannot touched by anything. Then comes to the bonus topic. இப்போ தான் finish பண்ணிட்டோம். 37 and 42. That is, Vidyaranya says, how the duality appears in this Brahman, non-dual Brahman. அவருக்கு ஒன்றுமே ஒட்டுக்காது, அவருக்கு ஒன்றுமே டச் ஆகாது, அசங்கஹா, நிர்விகாரஹா, சேஞ்ச்லெஸ், not affected by anything. How is it possible, this duality? This duality is not possible, really speaking. How is it possible? He asks. Vidyaranya says, question itself wrong. Question itself wrong. For a wrong question, there is no answer. Where is the question of right answer? Answer kadiyadu. Where is the question of right answer? Yenna in the Jivatvam, Ishwaratvam, all these are only from the body mind standpoint. They are not real. Mithya Shariram, Mithya Maya, Mithya Avidya, Mithya Upadhi. Vidya Avidya Upadhi Jivaha, Maya Upadhi Ishvaraha, both are just appearance in me, the Atma. Therefore, dual world is not really there. Your dream is there really? Appearance is real or unreal? Dream experience is real or unreal? Dream experience is real. But dream is? Dream experience is real. But dream is? இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லணும். ட்ரீம் இஸ் அன்ரியல், ட்ரீம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ரியல். அதே மாதிரி வேர்ல்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இஸ் ரியல், வியாவஹாரிக்கலி வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் அன்ரியல். இது சொல்றதுக்குள்ள அது மறந்துட்டு இல்லையா? எனக்கு தெரியும், திருப்பி சொல்லணும். ட்ரீம் இஸ் ரியல், ட்ரீம் இஸ் அன்ரியல், ட்ரீம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இஸ் ரியல். யுவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் நீட் நாட் பி ரியல். யுவர் எவ்ரி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் நீட் நாட் பி ரியல். ட்ரீம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் யூ ஹவ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ட்ரீம் ரியல்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா என்ன? எர்த் இஸ் ஸ்டேஷனரி, யுவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இஸ் இட் ரியல்? There is no sunrise, you are experiencing sunrise. Is it real? அந்த ரெண்டு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி அன்ரியலோ, வேர்ல்டு இருக்குங்கிற எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கூட அன்ரியல். வேர்ல்டு இஸ் அன்ரியல், வேர்ல்டு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆஸ் தோ ரியல், ஆஸ் தோ ரியல். அன்ரியல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இஸ் அன்ரியல். வியாவஹாரிக சத்தியம் இஸ் as good as unreal from பாரமார்த்திக திருஷ்டி. அம்மா வேக்கர் எப்போ வேக்கர் வருவானோ அப்போதானே ட்ரீம் பொய் ஆக முடியும். ட்ரீம் இஸ் அன்ரியல் ஃபார் வேக்கர் ஆர் ட்ரீமர்? ட்ரீம் இஸ் ரியல் ஆர் அன்ரியல்னு சொன்னோம். ட்ரீம் இஸ் அன்ரியல் ஃபார் வேக்கர் ஆர் ட்ரீமர்? ஐ எம் ஆஸ்கிங். யூ சே ட்ரீம் இஸ் அன்ரியல் ஃபார் வேக்கர். Similarly, world is unreal for waker or for gnani. My teachings are purpose served. World is unreal when I am looking at myself from paramarthika satyam, absolute reality. World is not unreal for a agnani who is in vyavahara. For him it is real. For a gnani only, the one who has woken up from this vyavaharika satyam, the one who has claimed I am Brahman, I am Atma, for him alone this jivatvam, this ishwaratvam, both are just vyavahara. They are not real really. They are not real really. They are not real really, absolutely anartham. Therefore, who am I now? I am Atma from Paramarthika Drishti. Really speaking, I am Brahman. But I, the Atma, am available in the Shariratrayam, which is not exactly real. Nama Rupa is only temporary, that it does Vyavahara with the another Nama Rupa. That is Vyavaharika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam cannot touch me, the Paramarthika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam irundhu pogattume, appadi irukattume. Adu enna nashtam? Enna pannum? Nethu dream poyaachi, innukku dream varadha enna? Innoru dream varum. Vandadukku appuram kuda idhum poyida. Adukku appuram இன்னொரு ட்ரீம் வரும், அப்புறம் அது போய். அதே மாதிரி ஐ ஆம் ஆத்மா, ஐ டூ எகெயின் விவகாரா, ட்ரீம் லைக் விவகாரா. எகெயின் ஐ கிளைம் ஐ ஆம் ஆத்மா, எகெயின் ஐ டூ விவகாரா. மித்யா விவகாரா ஃபார் சத்ய ஆத்மா. சத்ய ஆத்மா டஸ் மித்யா விவகாரா. இப்படி விவகாரா இஸ் an obstacle or obstruction? No. So it is a பூந்து விளையாட்டு. புரிஞ்சின் you can do drama well. Okay, play your role well. Don't confuse your family members. With this I conclude this third chapter. The phalam is in the 43rd sloka. He has given, you are Brahman. Claim you are Brahman. Are you Brahman or not now? Not now. I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman in this incidental body-mind complex. We are all fortunate. Okay. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.